Hi, good evening. Welcome back again, everybody. Today I'm going to cook brown stew fish. And if I have it right here. I have my pot with olive oil and a little coconut oil for flavor. And these two oils are very good for you. I got my fish over here with my flour. This flour is whole wheat because I'm trying to eat very healthy, so I season my fish with onion powder, garlic powder, and I'm going to brown stew it. So first you flour, and then you're going to put it in your oil, just like so. Don't let it burn. Take your time, and it's in there. It's in my pot. And I'm going to let it brown on two sides, and then I'll come back and show you guys what's going on with my brown stew. So my brown stew fish is almost finished. You don't want it to brown too much, not too much. You just want it, I turn it over, and now I have bell pepper, I have tomato, I have some crushed garlic, some pepper, and you cut the pepper like small pieces here. And then I have my onion, I have thyme. You can put scallion. I also have my garlic powder, my onion powder, and I have a little Italian mixed seasoning. I put this together like parsley and other seasoning. And then I have my soya sauce. This is optional. You don't have to put any ketchup, but I might put a little bit. And then you can also put your pimento green. I have like a three-quarter cup of water. Depends on how much fish you have. So you just put in all your, I have the pepper cutter right here. I don't need this anymore. I can just put all your seasoning in. Put all your seasoning in like this. Let's put it in ready. All your seasoning in. Then you're gonna put, like, you can put a little Italian dressing over it, just sprinkle over, and then you can put your water, because you don't want too much splash going on, so you put your water, and you put your Italian sauce, not too much, yeah, let me use a little ketchup. You can just use tomato alone. You say I have tomato, but if you want to get a little more flavor, tomato flavor, then you can add a little ketchup and your butter. You put a little butter, maybe about this in there, like an ounce of butter, and you. Some people still put like okra. If you like okra, when I tell you to put okra in your fish, it's optional because I know a lot of people don't like okra. I do, so you don't have to put okra. Okra can also be in this. And you're gonna cook this down, cover it, and then you turn it over, and then you're gonna have your brown stew fish. And you want to take a look at my steamed fish. Look how pretty it is. So it's finished. And I'm just going to show you when I lay it on the plate. It's a big one, isn't it? So you lay it on the plate like this. Even bigger than the plate. So you can kind of curl it here. And then you're going to do your seasoning like this. You're going to throw all the goodies on your fish. You can, if you're watching your diet, you can have this with, I put too much gravy. But if you're watching a diet, you can have this with like broccoli, vegetables, a salad, and want it to look attractive. A salad, whatever you want, mashed potato, and you can, just clean around your dish. You want it to look attractive and nice. So you take a piece of paper towel and you clean up your dish. And voila, you have your steamed fish looking so pretty. Subscribe and like, and please hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video like this brown stew fish. Bye. Have a good evening. Bye.